Auntie Anna! Oh my God. I miss you. I know. Like, my God. This is so totoo. Totoo, Auntie. Like, doon kasi kami sa ano eh, sa lamay ng kapatid ni ano ba, ni Mark Landing. And then all of it, parang this burden out. Ganito pala. Oo, and then, ma? What kaya yung frustration mo? What kaya yung mga ganyan? Like, ikaw pa talaga ang may frustration, ha? Ikaw pa talaga. Kayo pa. Yung mga, ako din yung mabunganga, okay sa puso, yung ganyan. Ay! Totoo ba? Doon sa ano, kakainuman. Nakakaloka. Talaga ba? Nakakasing siguro na lang sabihin. Alam naman siguro ng bitukan nila ito. Opo. In all honesty, I have never seen such people. And then you know what they did? They left. They took their stuff. And they left. They left the house. So that's it, Auntie. So Auntie, I'm cooking shawarma. Tapos, ayun, ako lang mag-isa nagko-coffee ngayon. And then, ganyan. Ang dami naman tao sa babae. Totoo! Oh my God! So true, Auntie. Well, it happens. Totoo. At least, hindi na po ako yung nag-initiate. Sila na, Auntie. Oo. Aba? O, diba? Bread lang ako, Auntie. Hindi ako nagra-rice. Hindi ko na kailangang isipin na mag-rice or magluto ng rice or magpaluto ng rice kasi okay na ako. Gusto ko lang mag-bread and I make my own pita bread. Kasi I've been watching videos on how to just cook by yourself. Make your own from scratch. So, making your own pita bread. Yes, Auntie. Wala ka niisip. Kung kumain na ba to, kung ganyan, kung gutom pa ba to. Eh, makikita mo naman. Oo. Ay, iba naman yun. Kasama ko naman si John kagabi. Tapos nagpaalam naman din siya. So, yun lang. Umuwi naman yun. Hindi naman nakikitira yun. So, diba? Oh. Gagatay na yung parang oh, really, Auntie? Oh. Huh? Aga? And then, I was talking to Mama Gigi. She was making chika-chika. Go, ganon, Mama Gigi, ganon. So, diba? Ah, okay na yan. And I'm okay naman po. Ayun, she said, so it's true that people just come and go. You're better off alone. Ah! Hoy, ba mga bata, Diyos ko. Baba. Truth, Auntie. Your family. those are ano. Unless you have someone who's a friend talaga. Minsan lang, auntie, pero wala naman. Chika-chika. Ganyan. O, diba? Ang ating shawarma. So, I made shawarma myself, auntie. And then I made the sauce by myself. And I also made, ano pa ba? I made the pita bread myself. Grisha? Ay, opo. I told Mama kanina, Mama G, sabi niya, oh, you're better off alone. You're so much better. And besides, it's so true. At least, I wake up early and, I'm just the one by myself. I can timpla coffee naman by myself. I can do everything by myself. Yes, correct, Auntie Ana. Diba?
Malinis tayong bahay mo. Hindi kung sino-sino yung gumagamit ng mga banyo mo.
Truth! My God! Hindi na siya lagi.
Ayaw pang labahan yung banyo mo.
Hindi na siya basa lagi. Ano na ito, yung banyo ko is dry. Very dry. Kasi naman objective ko, dapat dry talaga at maayos yung paggamit ng bathroom. So there na, here's my shawarma, guys. Diba? Ah, diba? Opo. Hindi ko rin kailangan mag-adjust kasi allergic or ganyan-ganyan. Yung iisipin ko pa kung anong... Alam niyo yun?
Kaya ka magla-live.
Ah, naka-live ako, auntie.
Ngayon?
Opo. Yeah.
Ako, sige na. Paano ko sa live?
Okay, auntie, love ya.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Take care. Come on, guys. Ah, diba? Ang sarap ng ating shawarma. Oh, ang sarap ng shawarma, guys. I made it by myself. So now let's take a bite of our shawarma. O mag-comment naman kayo. Wala naman nagko-comment. Wala akong nababasang comment. So, wala akong nabasang comment. Paano kung mag-ano dyan? So, diba? Ginawa natin yung shawarma. Oy! Ano na, naka-live ko. Naka-live ako. Sige na, bye-bye. Mamaya onte. Come on. So, diba? O, our sauce. Ah. Garlic sauce. Mmm. Auntie Ana, thank you. I made it myself. Diba? Shawarma, the pita, the sauce, everything. Hello, Dorothy Ang. See, I love it. Shawarma. Auntie Anna, when you go to Bacolod in August, can you please make some for me? Yes, Auntie Anna, we're going to buy spices. This is chicken, shawarma, and Homemade pita, auntie. Homemade pita bread. Diba? Mmm. Mmm. Eh, yung timpla ko, auntie, is ano, Arabian. Ang dami kong spices na nilagay. All spice, everything, cumin. Hi, Ma'am Imelda Salvador. Sabi, hi, Auntie Ana. Have a nice day. Oo. Yan, so good. Oh, with the onion. On Wednesday, go out for lunch, Jollibee McDonald's. Yes, Auntie Ana. Thank you. Opo. Oh, shawarma is so good. Homemade ko. Ipopost ko po yung vlog kung paano ko ginawa. I will send you money. Thank you, Auntie Ana. Opo. This pita bread is only 3 ingredients. The flour, the water, and oil. Yan lang po yung pita bread. Ang sarap. Our shawarma meat is chicken with allspice, cumin, turmeric. Lemon. So good. Hello, Dorigo Arias. Brunch na natin to. Shawarma. Homemade shawarma. Yes, Auntie Ana, I put French fries. It's like in Saudi or in Qatar, di ba? The shawarma has French fries. Di ba? Beatrice Perez. Hindi na po. the sauce. And kamatis. Tomato. And the onion. Oh, yes. Masarap. Pwede pa akong gumawa ulit, guys. Basta may chicken or beef naman. Ganun lang ang timpla ko. And I can make my own pita bread. Thank you, Ma'am Imelda Salvador. I can make my own bread. Parang yung tinapay ko, 55 pesos, harina. Ang dami ko nang nagawa. Pwede na ako magtayo ng bakery. Bakery ng pita bread. Bibili muna ako ng rolling pin ko, guys. So, para mas smooth yung pita bread natin. Kasi kinamay-kamay ko lang yung pita bread para mas lumawak siyang ganon. But we always like pita bread. Diba? So, thank you so much, guys, for watching. I love you all. And coffee din muna tayo. I'll try to cook some other stuff. We'll try salad. Salad lang tayo pa nagda-diet tayo. Hindi muna tayo nagre-rice. Oo, bread, salad, ganyan lang tayo. Hindi muna tayo magre-rice. Yeah, it's healthier. Oo. So, thank you so much, guys, for joining my live. And our shawarma mukbang. Hi, Ma'am Suzette Nogali. Happy breakfast, lunch sa inyong lahat. And I love you all. Auntie Anna, thank you so much. And I will see you later. Diba? Thank you. Ang messy nga lang, medyo messy ang shawarma. Kasi yung sauce, ang sarap naman ng mga sauce. Homemade sauce ko rin po ito, garlic sauce. Oh. Homemade garlic sauce. Thank you, Auntie. Love ya. Thank you, everybody. Bye-bye.